about these things. And then is interrogative pronoun, like we say where, what, which, this kind of pronoun which are used in the sentences, they are called interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun, these are interrogative pronouns. These pronouns are called interrogative because they are interrogating something, that what, where, this kind of why, this kind of pronouns are covered in the domain of interrogative pronoun. Okay, then last but not least is distributive pronoun. Last but not least, in pronoun we are talking about distributive pronouns. So these show about the distribution. These are also used as conjunction. We say either, neither, each. These words are called distributive pronouns. So these, as the word is indicating, distributive. So these pronouns are called distributive pronouns. So these were the topic today that we have that we have discussed. Although the things are a little bit dry, but the thing is this: we have to understand the significance and importance of part of speech. Yesterday we discussed about noun, and today we discuss about in detail pronoun. So as I told you earlier, that pronoun is a word that is used at the place of noun. At the place of noun. So these words are he, she, it. When we are talking about a girl or female name, so we use the word she. When we talk about the boy or male name, so we say he. When we talking about the plural of he and she, so we use the word they. So these are the word. And when we talking about ourselves, we say we. And when we talk about the singular, we say I. As I have already told you, the word is I. So this I and we are the first person pronoun. You is second person pronoun, and he, she, it, and they are called third person pronoun. These are the pronoun. Today we discuss the types and the kinds of pronoun. So here, as you have understood about the types and kinds of pronoun, I have written some feedback per forma over here to understand that how much you have understood about their kinds and their types. So let's have a look. Hand me that hammer. So we have to discuss which kind of pronouns are these. Either they demonstrative pronoun, or they reflexive pronoun, either they interrogative pronoun. So you have to identify, you have to pick it out, that three types of pronouns that have been mentioned. These are demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, and interrogative pronouns. So we have to find out the right kind of pronoun, that what is their type. So the sentence is, hand me that hammer. So what is that? That which pronoun is that? Either this is reflexive pronoun, or interrogative pronoun, or demonstrative pronoun. Yes, it is demonstrative pronoun because it is demonstrating something, it is indicating something, it is telling about something. That is why it is demonstrative pronoun. Yes, here we go. For the second sentence, I saw myself in the mirror. I saw myself in the mirror. The word myself, we have to highlight the word myself. So, what is myself? Is it interrogative pronoun? Is it reflexive pronoun? Or it is demonstrative pronoun? So, out of these three, as for your convenience, three types have been mentioned, that these 6 sentences are covering the three types. So let's have a look again in the second sentence. Let's try to find out that which is this pronoun. So in the second sentence, I saw myself in the mirror. So myself is what is this pronoun? Yes, myself. Yes, as we have already talked over here. So myself is reflexive pronoun. Yes, it is reflexive pronoun. So let's see the next sentence. Who is there? Who is there? So we have to discuss about who. What is this pronoun? Which kind of pronoun is this? Either this is interrogative pronoun or reflexive pronoun or demonstrative pronoun. Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? So yes, definitely this is interrogative pronoun, because something is being asked. Something is being asked. Something is being interrogated. Who is there? So that's why. So this is interrogative pronoun. Yes. Now the next sentence is this your teacher's book? Is this your teacher's book? Is this your teacher's book? So the word this is this, as we have already discussed. So the word that shows, that demonstrates something, is this your teacher's book? Is this your teacher's book? So we will demonstrate, yes, this is demonstrative pronoun. So this will because this is demonstrating something. So yes, did you get my point? So this is a demonstrative pronoun. So the next word is, which is your pen? Which is your pen? So we have to highlight the word which. Which is your pen? The word which. Yes, the word which is interrogative pronoun, because it is asking about something. That is why it is interrogative pronoun. So here we got the last sentence. He himself will be our new friend. The sentence is, he himself will be our new friend. So we have to find about himself. What is himself? Is it demonstrative pronoun? Is it distributive pronoun? Or is it reflexive pronoun? So as we have started our discussion with these types, so yes, this is reflexive pronoun, because he, the combination of he and himself. So that's why we will call it reflexive pronoun. So yes, very true. This was a little bit feedback, session regarding pronoun. So today we discussed in detail about pronoun. Hopefully you have got the ideas about noun and pronoun, because as I have already told you, it is very important to clear the concept of noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition and adjective. So if you would be having any query, so we will be starting out in the uh, you know Zoom app chat. So there would I would be listening to you, and I would try to find out the problems that would be there, and I will get the feedback. Hopefully you have understood the things that we have discussed on the board, verbally or in the written shape that we have discussed. So inshallah that tomorrow we will be discussing about the next part speech that is coming down the line. So that will be verb. So we will be discussing about verb tomorrow. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and the people you are around. Allah Hafiz.